Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I come to you with a very sad report. As you can see, our super Walmart in Germantown has been taken over by robots. Machines have replaced humans. This is reality. Every store you go to now, they've taken away posts where humans could serve. Machines have taken over. I feel a deep sadness in my heart for my fellow immigrants who really are very hardworking, trying to survive. They're all out of job now, obviously, right? Can you see that? In the whole superstore Walmart, only 2 aisles is human operated. Every other aisle is machine operated. Talk about job loss. Guys, buckle up. Austerity measure. May God have mercy on all of us. Buckle up. It's already happened. At this point, please subscribe. Share this video. Make a comment here. Thank you.